Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For some of you who don't know me and are just finding my video now, my name is Derek MUA. I tend to post handbag videos, but most of the time I post makeup videos, but today is an exception because I wanted to do a updated video on my 2 bags that I bought they're both sisters, but I bought them close together. But with that being said, let's get into today's video. This bag right here, I have the world's most love-hate relationship with it. Yes, I know, everyone's shocked. Hold the gasps. And you're probably saying, why, Derek? Why do you have a love-hate relationship with a Celine bag? To be honest with you, it's something that you're never gonna guess. You're really never gonna guess. And it was something that took me a while, but I went back and forth with it, and I'm like, no, that's not it. But then when it actually happened, I'm like, yep, that's it. All right, so on first glance, you're like, oh, wow, that's a great bag. Nothing wrong with it, right? Okay, so problem 1. See how one side thins out more than the other? That irritates me. Like, because when I'm looking down at it, it's like not uniform. One side sticks out more than the other. Irritating. Then, the most problem of all is the leather that maps out the entirety of the bag. Now, don't get me wrong, I love this bag. I love it. But, and it has feet, but if I'm paying over $3,000 for a bag, which is what it retails for, but I did purchase this off Fashion File. And I mean, Fashion File is a very reputable place, but if I'm paying over $3,000 for a bag, I don't want any issues with it. And I should have just gotten a all pebbled leather bag, but in the moment I'm like, ooh, yes, my very first Celine bag. So, for every one of you, for everyone knowing, here's the card. That. Here is the actual one. So it's the Celine Mini in sand. No, that's not right. Oh, duh, found it. Mini luggage, multicolored texture, calf leather. much. So with that being said, I have a love-hate relationship with it. And, like, don't get me wrong, I love it, but it's like, I'm fine with, you know, bags being heavy and all that, but holding it, it's a pretty light bag, and I'm like, it's fine. But when you start adding little things in the bag and then carrying it, this bag is so heavy. It's not even funny. It's so fucking heavy. It hurts my arm. And I never use this pocket because it's going to get stretched out and it's not going to look good. No. Nope. So, on this bag, there's nowhere for you to put a bag charm. And I'm okay with that. And I like putting bag charms on my bag. I'm that type of person that will put a $2 bag charm on a $4,000 bag. I'm that person. So one day, I put a fur puff. I think those are what they're called. A fur puff on this bag. So, I put it on this side right here, thinking, okay, you know, it's gonna look cute. I'm gonna walk around. Everyone loves this bag that I come into contact with. I'm like, yep, perfect. So when I come home, I'm like, I don't like the fur puff. So I bought a new one. I wanted to take the fur puff off. It turned out to be a 20-minute process to take it off. Only to find out when I took it off, I destroyed this part because the leather on this bag is so soft. And then on top of it, we got that going for the bag. We got the world's softest leather on this part. And then on the back of the bag, see the scratches? Those are just from setting the bag down and carrying it. So then we got that going for ourselves. And then we get creases on this part. And I'm fine, you know, with color transfer, but you get it down the center. And then, so there's suede on the side, natural suede. I believe this is dyed. But now, on the bag, because I guess I had it for so long, but now the suede is starting to crease from the leather on the bag, which it never did that before on this. And I don't know if I should take it into Celine and see what they can do, or if it's just a natural problem, or if I should just say fuck it and carry it like this, but then it looks so fucking weird. Don't you think? Right? I'm not the only one. It looks weird, right? It just looks so much better like this. Like, I could carry it like that, but see? Like, there are just so many issues with this bag that in the moment, I didn't think anything of it. And John and I, we were on the website. We were like, oh my God, that is such a great bag. Like, it can be like a bi-seasonal type of bag, like summer, fall. And on the website, it looked pristine. It was actually in excellent condition. Then when we got it, oh my God, it was literally breathtaking. Then after I started using it a while, and I keep my bags in immaculate condition. I started noticing faint scratches on it. And I'm like, okay. I won't use it. Now it's becoming, I'm not using it because there are just going to be so many scratches on this bag. And I'm not going to have this bag just so I can look at it. I want to fucking use this bag, but if I fucking use this bag, it's going to get destroyed. So now it's like I'm at a loss. And because, not only that, if I do resell this bag, Celine has the world's worst resale value on it. $3,300 for this bag. People are selling it for $1,200. I'm not taking that big of a cut on this bag. No, 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 ma'am. No, no, no. I'd rather keep the bag and get it destroyed than take that big of a cut. No. No. But yeah, I mean, it's just stupid. So stupid. Like, now looking back at it, like I totally said before, I wish I went with an all pebbled bag in taupe, because that bag is still my number one favorite. I mean, out of everything in the, like, look, it's just one giant hole. One giant hole. I love it. Love it. I still use it when I can, but now I'm cautious with it. But if I could go back in time, I would tell myself no to this one. And now there's like a mark on the suede right there. But this is the updated version on this one, because I don't even think I made one on the Celine. And yeah. I mean, it's such a great bag. Oh my god. It's such a great bag. And like, I mean, a lot of you probably know that feeling, like when you find the world's worst perfect bag, and then you start finding those little flaws, and you're like, no, because you just spend so much money on it, and you don't want it to be true, but then when it is true, you have like that gut-wrenching feeling in the pit of your stomach. That's how I feel right now about that. I don't like it. Nope. And I still don't know what this is, and I've had this bag for such a long time. Everyone gives me different things on it. They say it's for sunglasses. They say it's, I don't know what, to hold something, to do something, to put on something. I don't know. But with that being said, that's my Celine story on why I have a love-hate relationship on it. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I didn't think it would go this way, to be honest with you, but it did. So, if you enjoyed it, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Yeah. I hope I feel better, and I hope I don't sound like a butch straight man. So, with that being said, I will see everyone in my next video. Bye!